Hello student, today we will do question number 3 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So we have to find integration of 1 by x ax minus x square dx. So for this we will let x equal to a by t. If we will differentiate both sides, this will be then a t minus 1. If we will differentiate both sides, then dx is equal to a into minus 1 into t minus 2 dt, means minus a by t square dt. Now we will put here 1 by x minus x square dx equal to 1 by x. X we have supposed a by t, so a by t ax, a into a by t minus x square, means a square by t square dx. Dx is equal to minus a by t square dt. This we have to find integration. So t will go up, t will go up. Here will be a, this will be a square by t minus a square by t square into minus a by t square dt. Listen. So a and a will be cut, t and power of t will be cut. So what will remain here? If we take a common a square, then it will root a square a. So minus dt divided by a square we have taken common, so it will come out of a root, so it will become a, then it will be 1 by t minus 1 by t square. If we take out minus 1 by a, so this will be dt. If we take LCM, then t square t minus 1. This will be a square root. This is so a square root of t square will be t, and t will go up. So minus 1 by a remain t minus a, t will remain here. So write here 1 by t also. Minus 1 by 8. This is t, square root of t square will be t, t will go up, then it will be t into t divided by t square t minus 1 into 1 by t. So t and t will be cancelled. So this will be minus 1 by a dt by t minus 1. We can write this minus 1 by a t minus 1 minus 1 by 2 dt. How we will integrate this? So integration of this will be minus 1 by a t minus 1 integration will be t minus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c is equal to minus 1 by a into t minus 1. If you subtract this 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 will go up, then minus 2 by a. This will be t minus 1 plus c. Now we will put value of t here. So minus 2 by a, t value is a by x minus 1 plus c. So this will be minus 2 by a. If we take LCM, then it will be a minus x divided by x root under plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.